What is your name?
My name is Sam.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one little sister.
Do you like playing on the swings?
Yes, swings are my favorite.
What is your favorite games?
My favorite game is football.
Who did you come to the park with?
I came with my mom and dad.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I am in first grade.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What is your favorite snack?
I love eating apples.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a panda.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love to draw.
What is your favorite subject in school?
I like math most.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, especially about animals.
What is your favorite sport?
I like playing soccer.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away.
What is your favorite movie?
I love watching Toy Story.
Do you like to ride bikes?
Yes, I ride with my dad sometimes.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate is my favorite.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I am learning the piano.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to going to the park and playing outside.
Do you have a favorite cartoon?
Yes, I like SpongeBob.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Spider-Man is my favorite.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I just learned last summer.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love all kinds of animals.
Do you like building with Legos?
Yes, I like making tall towers.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a firefighter.
What is your favorite fruit?
I really like strawberries.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love playing in the sand.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I am good at them.
What is your favorite thing to do after school?
I like playing with my friends.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I sing all the time.
Do you have a favorite video game?
Yes, I love playing Mario Kart.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I help my dad with the plants.
What is your favorite art project?
I like making things with clay.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, his name is Max.
What is your favorite drink?
I love chocolate milk.
Do you have a favorite song?
Yes, I like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer because we can go swimming.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I help my mom make cupcakes.
What is your favorite candy?
I love gummy bears.
Do you like to color?
Yes, I color almost every day.
It was really fun talking to you, Sam.
Yeah, I had a great time. You were really nice.
Bye, Sam. See you next time.
Bye.